Hello students, it is my second video of chapter 3 Suvira. Today I will start from page number 45 of your English literature book. So everyone see the third page of the chapter. I would compete wearing my old battered spikes since I couldn't afford a new pair. I would wear my old spikes and I would win. Dear God, I had to win. As I told you earlier that their financial condition of their house is not good, and so narrator had to compete wearing her old battered spikes, means damaged spikes, as she could not buy a new one, but still she was very much confident to win the race. With a positive attitude in a new environment in Delhi, she prays to God for her win. Now the starter arm went up and he said, "On your marks." The whole school ground went deathly quiet, means pin drop silence. Nobody was talking. Then the narrator crossed, means get ready to take start, by bending on her knees, and the upper body is brought forward and down. So it is the posture before beginning of the race of an athlete. She was not looking to her right side, as there Suvira was there, and she might once again lose her confidence. Then the starter said once again, "Get set." The narrator looked up. Everybody focus on the finish line. That who would be the winner? Narrator with a positive thinking, she was dead sure to win the race. She must be the winner. She must beat Suvira's Mathur. Her target focus was Suvira Mathur. Her legs were extended long to take a good start, her shoulder coming forward and her tips of her fingers resting on the red track, and she was ready to take off, means start her race. Now the next paragraph. The starter said go, and his guns fired, and the narrator immediately, without any delay, came out from her blocks and started racing away. As she started, there was no one on her left and no one was on her right. That means she takes a lead of everyone, even to Suvira Mathur. The crowd was shouting, chanting, and cheering. Now the narrator mind was free. She was flying, means running very, very fast. Then the next moment, only one sound was coming from the crowd, that is Suvira, Suvira, Suvira. There was no one to support the narrator, only shouting for Suvira. Even her housemates were not supporting her, as she was new and nobody knows her. And it seemed to her that whole Delhi, whole of India, whole world was talking Suvira's name. The chant was rising to a crescendo, means suddenly the shouting increases. Why? Because Suvira is now near to the narrator. Now she could hear the sounds of Suvira's feet. That means she came closer to the narrator. Narrator knew that Suvira is coming closer. Now she realized that her start was not okay in 800-meter race. In 800-meter race, the start should be slow and kept some energy to run fast at the last moment. But here narrator kept her speed from the beginning, and it is not the proper way to run the 800-meter race. Anyway, they were approaching 400 meters now. The crowd went crazy as Suvira is running now shoulder to shoulder level. Really a tough competition for the narrator. Both were looking to each other actions. Then narrator said to herself, slow down, and she started slow down imperceptibly, means not in a technical way, but managed to slow down. It's a trick to race of 800-meter race. In first phase, you have to save your energy and utilize it totally at the last round of the race. So narrator did it, and her opponent Suvira also takes the pressure off herself. And just 300 meters to go, Suvira made a lead now. Now she was in front, and narrator lost the lead which she had maintained for last 500 meters. Now she was running behind the Suvira like worrying dog, and she had regained her energy, ready to give her best performance now. In the meantime, the narrator looked to Suvira's legs, which were running down the track toward the finish line. Then suddenly she saw her shoes, which were brand new one with glittering, means shining. Sharp spikes were there, and she moving forward like a uncontrolled animal. But now narrator was not thinking of those spikes and concentrated upon her race. She thought her spikes were old and damaged, but they had lot of experience, and with that old spikes she had won in Calcutta, and she was thinking that her old spikes had still some hunger for her to win. That means she was now positive and wants to give her 100% to win the race. Now Suvira was leading, and narrator was not thinking of those spikes and concentrated upon her race. She thought her spikes were old and damaged, but they had lot of experience. Now Subira was leading, and narrator was behind her. She was now closing to Suvira. She was now confident that wearing her old blue spikes, she would going to win. And suddenly, with a great force, she forward powerfully. Subira had swiveled many means, turned around to look how close the narrator was, and seeing close to her, she also stepped on the accelerator, means speed up her race, and narrator was also giving a neck-to-neck competition. Again, there was a shouting echo all over the ground once again. Suvira, Suvira, Suvira. They were running side by side, step by step, for the competition was really tough. The tape on the finishing line was within arm's reach. Now means both were very close to the finishing line. Both had the eager to win the race and want to be the heroine of that sports meet. Both of them were fully charged, giving their 100% to touch the tape. Narrator lungs were bursting with efforts, means she gave her full power, full energy to win. She also heard the gasping of Suvira. Gasping means breathing forcefully with the mouth for more oxygen, means to get more energy. And at last, narrator crossed the finish line, and Suvira too crossed it. The crowd got wild, means lot of shouting, cheering and chanting. Some were still chanting Suvira's name, and some had to eager to know about the new girl. Who was that girl? What was her name? And finally they were standing all together. Both were on the top of the victory stand. Both were the winners. Suvira gave a smile to the narrator. It was a friendly smile. Suvira was also happy to see the performance of narrator. Suvira Suvira praised the narrator and said, "Well done. And in reply, narrator said, "Well run to her." And in last, they shake hands and raise their hands to cheer up for their school. Hip hip hooray! So this is the end of the story. Please read the story, and if you have any doubt, then you can contact me in my WhatsApp. So students, we see narrator by his strong determination, hard work, courage, and in a new atmosphere, she had got success in the race. So you guys also give your hard work, courage, and with a strong determination, you can get to your goal and came out with flying colors for your family, for your state, and for your country. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.